Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a quick review about this eyeshadow palette, and it's called the Glitz Glam EyeSHADOW. So this eyeshadow has 10 different colors. So on top you see a matte color, and below you see those glittery. Now let's jump on the swatches. So we're going to do a test. This eye palette is really pigmented. As you see, the maroon color is really colorful. The second one is the brown, and the third one, this palette is dark brown. Now the fourth eye palette, this is kinda orangey or tangerine. So this is we're going to put on later. And then the most basic one, which is the pink eyeshadow palette, again the pink one, so we can use this one as the base palette. Moving on to the glittery eyeshadow palette. So the first one is the pinkish or the fuchsia color. So if you see, it's really looks amazing. Now the second is the purple glittery and also pigmented. Look at this color, it's really beautiful. Now the third glittery eyeshadow palette is the gold one. I love this color if I can combine all of them. And then the fourth one, I have the bronze color, which is also good. And then the last one is the silver. So we're going to put on. So as you see, this eyeshadow palette is really cool, and yeah. Okay, so once again, the maroon one, the brown, and then the dark brown, and the tangerine, and then the last one is the pink, which you barely see it because again it is really good for base application. And on the other arms you see those glittery palettes. So again, this color is really amazing. So yeah, let's go ahead and start. Before that, we'll go ahead and use this Cotty Doll CC powder. This is to at least setting powder. So I'm using a brush from Divisoria. So this is cheap brush I got I think like 3 months ago. Now for the application, so once again we're going to use the base pink one. Alright, now let's go ahead and put the tangerine color or the tangerine one to make it more, you know, like highlight of the color. So we're just gonna put some on the side because later on we're going to mix these two colors. So you don't have to worry kahit hindi siya pantay because later on once we mix these two colors, you'll see the effects. Alright, so I have already applied both of them. As you can see, again, hindi nga siya pantay. So now we're gonna mix the color, and there you go. So later on we're going to apply more. Alright, to make it more glamorous, so I will going to apply now those glittery in color. So I will be using the bronze one, and let's go ahead and check it out. So I have already applied both sides. Lisin lang natin siya. Yung iba kasing glitter is nag-fall out. And then, syempre, ang walang katapusang brush, so para pa fresh. So, I will be applying the highlighter after this one. And I have here a fan brush and also two-faced eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use one of the palette here, and then I'm gonna use that one as highlighter. Alright, so for the lips, we're going to use the Ganda matte lips HANASH, which is one of my favorite matte lipstick and the shades. So alright guys, so here's the final look. So that's all combination of the matte eyeshadow plus the glittery eyeshadow, and hope you like it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell so you will notified whenever I have a new video. So thank you so much once again for watching, and you do have a great day. Take care.